to a new vlog. It's a new day and it's our last day actually in Santa Teresa because tomorrow we're going to Pavones. Yay! Alma has wanting to go to Pavones ever since we decided to go to Costa Rica. So tomorrow it's gonna happen. We're gonna go with some friends. And yes, we're leaving, I don't know which time, but we're leaving tomorrow sometime. So this is our last day here in Santa, and Alma and Sarah is out surfing. It's like 5:45 in the morning. We were all planning to go surf, but I'm borrowing a board from this shop, and today the key wasn't there, so it was meant to be that I was not gonna surf today. So I'm gonna try to film the drone, although I just remembered we didn't charge the batteries yesterday, so we'll see how much battery life we have. But yeah, Alma and Sarah is out. It's a beautiful morning. I'm gonna sit here on the beach, gonna film. If we don't have that much battery, maybe I go for a walk. Yeah, I will see. Let's have a quiet morning, and later we are going to Montezuma, so I'm gonna take you along for that. That is like the main thing to do here in Santa Teresa, I would say, to go to the Montezuma waterfall and explore around there. So I will take you guys along that today. There's just something about Santa Teresa, it's so beautiful here. Okay, I just finished filming and we only had 2 batteries. So now I'm gonna go for a walk on the beach because it's pretty here. I just went for a swim. It was nice. I cleared my nose. Super nice. And yeah, I think Alma and Sarah is coming up soon. Hola chicos. Hola. Hey buddy. Buddy, my baby. Okay, we're ready to go to Montezuma.
Yay!
It's gonna be so much fun. The waterfalls, and then we're gonna chill at the beach, I think, and eat something super nice. Okay, Alma is gonna leave her boarding for repair. So we're at El Gato Rojas, and we're gonna leave it to Alma. Montezuma waterfall. So we just parked, we started walking. It's like a 20 minutes hike. It's not really a hike, but 20 minutes climbing rocks and other things. We made it to the Montezuma waterfall.
Now we're gonna jump in the water.
Yeah, we're so hot.
So hot.
Yep. It's beautiful though, but it's so, the water is so low usually compared to like how it used to be, because it's the dry season. It's like the end of the dry season, so there's like barely any water. But
Gud vad du svettas.
ja, du med.
Jo men.
Ja, men du sätter dig sig. Ja, men du också, Alma. Hello. We just had some fika here by the waterfall. Crackers, carrot cake. This is the best carrot cake in the world. We buy it in Kobanu. Water, Oreo.
You want? If you want.
And doggy. Okay, now we're gonna play some cards.
Han är igång. Han är med.
¿Cuánto vale por esa? ¿Esa? Det var ju jättetrevligt. Så.
What did you take, Alma? Fish?
I got fish dorado casado with carne y salsa. Yes. Bom provecho. Okay, now we're at Rockamar. We're gonna meet up a friend. Yeah, check some waves. Nice. Okay, Alma is going to the water.
Det är ingen som kommer märka någonting.
We're gonna have some dinner. Sarah is showing off her skills.
And we're having sweet candy.
Yeah, Swedish candy. This is so good. Ferrari cars. So good.
Spelar i båda.
Nej.